Ever heard of getting paid by browsing website or watching videos online? Free Cash makes it possible. These apps rewards you with the points by completing surveys, downloading apps, testing websites, or even playing games. Every activity on this platform earns you a point, and these points can be redeemed for a cool cash or even a better called hard cash straight into your M-Pesa. And the best part with this app is that they update games daily, so there is new things to try every day. All you need is that you need to have an internet connection and a smartphone. And when you reach a minimum withdrawal threshold, you can withdraw your money into your M-Pesa account. And this Free Cash is a funny way to make some extra shillings while you are doing things that you already do. Now you can use the link in the description to get some sign-up bonus. Install that app into your device, then sign up with your Gmail account, and then start taking surveys here and playing games to earn some extra shillings. Now the next app that I personally love use is called App Karma. This platform lets you to complete offers and then get paid, and even playing games to earn real cash. So whether you're an Android user or an iPhone user, this App Karma has something for you. This app offers a variety of games where you can rack up real cash by just playing these games on this app. So you can head on to Google and then type in App Karma, or you can use the link here in the description to get some sign up bonus and then start making some extra cash on this App Karma. Now got some free times and a keen eye on details? Look no further than Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform offers micro tasks, short online jobs like data entry, image tagging, or completing surveys. These tasks might not pay a fortune individually, but they can definitely add up over time, especially if you are a quick and an efficient worker. All you need is that you need to have a smartphone and a reliable internet connection. And there is a sign-up bonus if you use the links that are in the description below. Now this is a cool tip for you. Before using any app, do your research, read reviews, and check user experience to make an informed decision. Are you a chatterback with a knack of capturing stunning images? There's an app called phob. This app can be your gold mine. This app allows you to sell your photos directly to business and individuals. From breathtaking landscape to beautiful roses, there is a market for everything on this app. There's a market for anything eye-catching. So dust off your phone's camera and unleash your inner photographer. Now, do you have a unique or an expertise that ones may buy? Then Guru is your platform. Here you can create and sell online courses on a variety of topics. You can share your knowledge about cooking, graphic design, and fitness. The sky is the limit. Now the requirement here is just super simple. If you have a reliable internet connection, a laptop, and a little bit of your time, the sky is the limit here on Guru. You can turn your passion into a profitable side hustle on this guru.com. Now the next app that most of my fellow hustlers are using is called Twende. Ever feel like you get rewarded for nothing? Well, Twende changes that. This unique app rewards you by completing everyday tasks like shopping, dining, or even visiting specific locations. And on every task that you accomplish, you earn points that can be redeemed for cash, vouchers, and discounts. This is a fantastic way of earning passive cash while doing things that you already do. Now the next popular app in Kenya is called Coola. This e-commerce platform is booming in Kenya with its focus on same-day delivery and a wide variety of products. Now, Coola is a popular app for online shoppers. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google and then type in Coola. Then you can download this app, install it into your device, then start earning these points, which in turn you will redeem them into cash and vouchers. Now the next app that people are using here in Kenya is called Bolt, to Uber in Kenya. Now if you have a car and you can meet the requirement, becoming a Bolt driver can be a great way to earn flexible income. Look no further than OLX Kenya, popular online marketplace. This platform allows you to sell virtually anything from clothes, electronics, furniture, and even cars. It is a fantastic way to give unwanted items a new life and earn some extra cash in the process. Now the world of mobile income is booming. These are just a few apps that we have discussed in this video. With little research and exploration, you can unlock even more ways to make money with your smartphone. And remember, dedication is key. What are your Mpesa-friendly apps? Share your experience and tips in the comment section. And please make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more money-making apps to come in future. God bless you. Until the next time, it's your boy, your son, Moses Wamkota. Bye.